It's Mike Meck, the Bungalow Chef. Today we're making classic tapioca pudding. We're going to start with sugar. We're going to start with 2/3 of a cup of sugar. We're going to mix to that 6 tablespoons of tapioca. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. We're going to add 5½ cups of whole milk. And we're going to stir that very well. And we're going to just let it sit for about 5 minutes. Now all of our wet ingredients, all but the eggs, have been sitting for about 5 minutes. And it's time to add the eggs. I have 2 fresh eggs beaten. We're going to stir that very well. We're going to bring this to a rolling boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This is Mike Meck, the Bungalow Chef, and this is how we make tapioca pudding.